your fans. And bingo, Bluey, ready, smile. 1, 2, 3, okay. Again, good afternoon po to everyone. So sa lahat po ng mga may ticket, kindly check your ticket po and we will start our meet and greet. For those parents po na without ticket, may I request po to please clear this area po. Clear this area po. Thank you.
Do head over to take a photo with our blue photo wall or join in the queue for a second photo taking session with Louie and Bingo. Remember, each meet and greet is just 30 minutes long, so please sign up for second.
Alright. Okay, let's give our theory team first. Ready? Alright. Thank you, ma'am. So, first family